Pasibayo lang miyabe-yabe ring at suking 10,000 atleta, coaches, trainers at chaperons king Jose V. Yap Sports and Recreational Complex king San Jose Tarlac kinyang Domingo, April 28 para king pamamuklat na ng Central Luzon Regional Athletic Association o CLARA Meet 2024. Kilom ning 15 banwa ing probinsya ning Tarlac king maging host king mesabing sporting event.
The provincial government of Tarlac welcomes everyone to the 2024 CLARA. This event puts to test all the hours of hard work, dedication, sweat and tears of our athletes and coaches. This is the time for them to showcase their talents and skills and a challenge to surpass their limits even beyond giving their all. And we are all excited to witness your greatness. I wish all of you good luck.
Megumpisayang event king traditional parade daring atleta iba't king 21 school division offices daring public at private schools king mabilog a Central Luzon. May kisan metong mo naman king mesabing sporting event the Senators Amy Marcos, Bongo at Lito Lapid amemyang inspirational message karing atleta. At sumpo naman Philippine Sports Commission Commissioner Olivia Bongku. Antimurin di dating Philippine Basketball Association player ay Marlo Aquino. Tournament Manager Telesforo Meliado Jr. at professional volleyball player ay Tricia Gail Tubo. Ameni muna king oath of sportsmanship, oath of officiating officials at ing pamanyulu king friendship Coldron. Peni muna na nemang DepEd Regional Director Dr. May Eclar ing deklarasyon na ning pamagumpisa ning papyalong. Kaya beba ka ring aliwang tinagon di Tarlac 2nd District Representative Christian Telyap. Bataan Governor Jose Enrique Garcia at Vice Governor Maria Cristina Garcia. Aurora Acting Governor Reynante Tolentino, Tourism Infrastructure and Enterprise Zone Authority COO Mark Lapid, at Ibataan 3rd District Representative Maria Angela Garcia. At sulamo naman ng Provincial Board at ng aliwapang local government officials ng Tarlac. Magsilbiya ka ng oportunidad karing estudyante ing CLARA bang a-developing kanilang passion at talent. Antimurin ing disiplina at overall well-being. Inyapin malambat at panahon ng susuporta ng DepEd ing aktibidad. Agpangking Secretary General ng Palarong Pambansa at DepEd Assistant Secretary for Field Operation ay Francis Cesar Bringas, powerhouse ya kanu pangaras king sports ing Region 3. At excited na lakanong makadiskobring mga galing nga atleta. Pero king nanumang kompetisyon ating manyambot atin muring ali. Kaya paganakanan ng DepEd.
I'm so sure that in your billeting schools, there's already a big board that says W and L that would track your wins and losses throughout the conduct of the games. But if you may want, your W should stand for win and your L should not stand for loss, but it should stand for lessons.
At nganing ara na nasa ning sobrang pali ning panahon at inya pang dagdag paganakaing DepEd, lakwas na ka ring coaches at trainers na ring estudyante.
Please make sure that you put the safety and well-being of all our athletes given the conditions that we have with our weather. First and foremost, play safely, play fairly, and always play with honesty and integrity.
At sulaking 10,818 ng kabuang bilang daring delegates manibat king elementary to junior at senior high school students. Ibat ka ring public at private schools. May laban-laban na rin ni karing mialiwang sports, kalupaning arnis, archery, athletics, badminton, billiards, boxing, basketball 5x5, basketball 3x3, chess, dance sport, football, futsan, gymnastics, para games, sepak takraw, softball, swimming, tennis, table tennis, taekwondo, volleyball, wrestling at wushu. Preparasyon niya ang regional athletic meets para king pre-national qualifying meet bayang palarong pambansa na marapat king Marikina City king July 29 to August. Ako yung kakayong talasuyo ay Jennifer Salenga ating pusong makabalan.